Look, he's like, where'd he go? Where'd he go? He has no idea who he's fighting, bro. He's fighting himself. Look, he's like, where'd he go? Bitch, come back.
I'm gonna put on Facebook like every day is part of life. Fight yourself.
I'm posting this on YouTube.
Dude.
He's the man. He's like, where's the place that motherfucker at?
That is the perfect
That's fucking
metaphor for what we do every day, bro. Trying to fight ourselves to become better people. That's perfect.
Learn your life lesson from these two.
That's being beside yourself.
Yeah.
I won.
Who's your worst enemy, bro? Who's your worst enemy?
Me.
Yourself.
You don't want to make yourself
I
pissed
am
off.
my own worst enemy, dude.
Oh, there's the bird.
Nobody could hurt me the way that I hurt me.
Make yourself hurt yourself.
My stupid decisions, looking back at regret, fucking feeling that shit. Nobody can hurt me like I can hurt me. And that goes for everybody, bro.
I'm getting him too.
Look, he's like, see, he wants to conquer himself. He's like, bitch, come here and I'll beat you. This nigga, look, he's looking at the mirror like he's crazy. Look at him.
Looks like he's shaking his head too, like, what the fuck?
Like he's looking up and down at that thing like, where'd that nigga go? Is he in the glass? Is he in the glass? I'm gonna get this nigga.
Hold up.
Hey, buddy, I'm a friend to your struggle. I am a friend to your struggle. I know what you're going through, bro. I feel you in your fuck me attitude.
So what's the life lesson for the people on these watches today?
Hate yourself. That's the life lesson. Hate yourself.
You heard
Can't
him.
get better unless you hate who you are.
Shut up. You're not supposed to hate yourself, supposed to love yourself.
That's the life lesson.
Shut up. No,
You
Who's
can never get better if you don't hate
Love
yourself.
yourself. Shut up. Wow.
No, that's a pussy attitude.
You just said that earlier. Love yourself. Now you're saying hate yourself?
Oh, here
Love
he
to
goes
hate
again.
yourself. How about that?
I guess, yeah.
Just sit up here both of them.
You
Look
like
at him. He straight up hates himself. He's like, I'm gonna get this bitch.
He hates the person that he thinks
I'm
is
gonna get
on
this
the other
bitch.
side.
I'm gonna get this bitch right now.
Where did he-
No, Daisy, no! No, doggy, no! Don't tease. Don't do it.
Come here, Daisy.
I'm gonna post this on YouTube. Don't do it. Don't get it in the way, dog.
I
He's
got
not
it.
gonna do it now.
Not really recorded earlier. I just wanted to get it closer. Alright. Come on.
That is one cool bird.
Look at her. Her name is Cheyenne. I got a name from my friends at home. One's Henry, one's Bob, one's Sonny, one's
That bird's name is
whatever.
TJ. That bird's name is TJ. I'm telling you, that bird's name is TJ.
His dad has
Jackass.
No, his dad has a pet squirrel named, what's it? Spot?
Spot.
Pet
Oh,
squirrel.
you want to see Spot?
Oscar's a Javier.
It comes to his dad.
No. Check out Spot. He'll eat out of your hand.
Oh, you're not.
Like and subscribe for a bird fight in the mirror.